Hi, this is Todd with Choice for Christ Ministries. Today is March 16th, 2010. Hard to believe. Anyway, I wanted to share a tip on smoking that I don't think I brought up in any of my previous smoking vids. Is the cough drop remedy. Now, I heard that they made this electronic type cigarette, so you can feel the, the kind of how the smoke goes in the throat, and you can feel it in your lungs. Well, I guess they got an electronic type cigarette where it does that, and it's not actual cigarette smoke, but whatever it is. But as you guys will know, I used the patch, and while using the patch, I'd use nicotine gum during intense cravings, even with the patch. They say not to do that, but I mean, it just really gets you through the first week, so to speak. But anyway, the cough drops, if you get the hulls, menthol works the best, or get cherry or mint flavor, whatever, and just take one and pop it in your mouth, and just suck on the cough drop and take deep breaths, and you will feel that sensation. And believe me, I usually spit the cough drop out after half. I don't use the cough drops anymore, but during the first 3 months, during the first week especially, the cough drop remedy really works, because it fills that the smokers, you guys know what I'm talking about. It feels that it takes care of that sensation or that craving or whatever it is that we feel when you take a drag off the cigarette and you feel it going down your throat into your lungs. They do a cough drop and wearing the patch, or if you're doing Chantix or on Zyden, but this really helps. This really works. I just want to bring that to your attention real quick, as I continue to add to the smoking videos. I forgot about the cough drop remedy, and so anyway, it helps. It works. Try it. A lot of you guys are starting out, and just keep going, keep praying, and trusting God. He'll pull you through the hardest times. When you get those intense cravings, just do your part. Get chewing a piece of nicotine gum, candy, or a cough drop, and and pray, and you'll get through it. You'll get through it. Just keep going. And anyway, I just want to share that tip with you, and may God bless you all, and keep going, and don't give up. Even if you, what they call relapse, or have a smoke, that's why I named it Day 1 again. That is 5th attempt. So don't let nothing stop you from quitting. Not that I'm encouraging you to have a smoke, but don't let anybody shoot you down. Just keep going. Fight the good fight. All right. God bless you all, and try the cough drop shit. It really helps.